Hello. So, we'll spend some time again on automation APIs today, which has been changed in a very slight manner in 2021 release wave 2. Now, if you never heard about automation APIs, you should start reading about it because they're super cool and there's a different purpose or different reason why Microsoft grouped these automation API in a different set. Now, to briefly explain you what automation APIs are, they provide you capabilities to set up a new tenant that has been created. Uh, so once your tenant is created on Business Central Online, you have to fuel it with certain kind of common activities that you do with all of your customers, like creating a new company or importing a wrapped start package, installing extension, defining users, user groups, permissions to different kind of users. And that's all you can do without logging into an environment using automation APIs. Sounds cool? So let's understand what capabilities were and what new capabilities are added with automation API in 2021 release wave 2. So let me open my VS Code, and if you don't know much about APIs and all, maybe that's now's the time to read about it, and I'll be happy to engage in a conversation about with you about this. But right now, I'm trying to target this to my local Docker of Business Central 18, as you can see here, and it should at this point list all automation API which are available with Business Central 18. So when I send the request, I get output like this, which is that all these automation APIs are available with Business Central 18. And let me zoom this in if that's makes it more clear. You can also copy the response body, and we'll do that. And I'll place it in a notepad so that then we can compare this with Business Central 19. And I'll save this on my local PC in my desktop as PC18 APIs. Okay. Now let's try to switch to Business Central 19, which I can do from here, as I've already set it up. Okay. I'll change it to Business Central 19 and I'll rerun this. Once I run this, it'll show me all the automation APIs which are available with Business Central 19. Here it is. And I'll do the same action of copying the response body and pasting it into a new notepad, which is this, and save this as Business Central 19 APIs. Okay, so let me open the comparison for you so that we can see what those are or what's the new addition into this. So when I open, and this comes as single line, which is not that much useful, but let me try to split this so that we can see what's actually being added. So if I split it here, or maybe let's open the two notepad file in parallel so that we can see them. So this is Business Central 19 API and this is Business Central 18 API. So let me expand this and also this. So if you see, we have the entity definition at both the places. We have companies, we have subscription, configuration packages, file, automation companies, extension, user groups. But then here, after user groups, there are some addition. And then user group member, permission, scheduled jobs, permission set, extension upload, and deployment status. So these are the two new automation APIs that are being added in Business Central 19 or 2021 release wave 2. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. This shows you all the companies. This shows you the subscription that you have, the providing capability for configuration packages, file handling, automation companies, extension deployment. You can upload an extension, publish, and install an extension. You can add new user groups. Now you can, I'm pretty sure, add new profiles and also add user group permissions, which was not there in the past. You can add users, user group members, user permissions, schedule jobs, permission sets, and extension upload. And the last one will show you the status of the deployment when you are trying to publish an extension using Automation API. So we have seen what's changed in 2021 release wave 2, which is two new automation APIs are now available, one for profile and one for user group permission sets. So if you are not using them, start using them for your Business Central customers. This gives you more flexibility if you have multiple customer and you have to do things quite frequently on Business Central online slash SaaS environment. So that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another new feature that's added in 2021 release wave 2.